Hello and welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're using the Vivaldi browser and want more control over where your downloaded files are saved, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you step by step through changing your default downloads location in Vivaldi to a folder of your choice. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your computer. Next, click on the Vivaldi icon located at the top left corner of the window. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Settings. After that, look to the left sidebar and tap on Downloads. Now, under the Downloads section, click the Select Folder button. Choose the folder where you want all your future downloads to be saved. Finally, click on Select Folder to confirm your choice. And that's it. Your downloads will now automatically go to the new folder you've selected. Thanks for watching this guide on customizing your Vivaldi browser. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple browser tips. Leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions.